Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all studying as well. Students, in the previous video, I had explained to you regarding multiple bar diagram. I had taken a problem from the textbook, data from the textbook, and I have helped you in understanding how to draw the multiple bar diagram. I hope you have followed that video, and I hope that you have taken that problem or drawn that multiple bar diagram in your notes, and I hope you are all practicing regarding multiple bar diagram and simple bar diagram. So today let's take another diagram and let's learn to draw component bar diagram, which is also one dimensional diagram. It is component bar diagram, or we can also call this to be as subdivided bar diagram. I repeat, it's a component bar diagram or subdivided bar diagram. So what do you mean by this subdivided bar diagram? That means there will be a bar. Okay, there will be a bar diagram, and that bar will be subdivided according to the components. Okay, according to the items given, right? So one bar of the total magnitude should be drawn, students. Okay, one bar. If ever we have two or three sets of data, okay, together in one problem, so what we need to do is we need to draw bars for two or three sets of data. So if ever I have only one set of data, then I have to draw the bar, and the length of the bar will be equal to the total magnitude. It will be equal to the total magnitude. And that total, how it is been divided, right? For example, right, your total marks of your SSLC, okay, whatever you have scored in your SSLC out of 625, suppose your marks are 520. So we have to draw a bar of length 520, students. And now this 520 score, total score, right, how it has been scored. So you can divide. In English I have scored so much, in Hindi I have scored so much, in Kannada I have scored so much, mathematics, science and social science. So based on all these 6 subjects, the total has come up to 520. So what you need to do is you need to in that whole bar of 520, you have to divide for English, for Kannada, for Hindi, for mathematics, for science and for social science. And you need to divide that according to that, and also you need to separate them. We can separate, or we can design, we can do some designs on that separations of that particular components. For English we can for English we give a different shade, for Kannada we give a different shade, for Hindi we give a different shade. So likewise for all the subjects we give different shades, so that each shade will represent that particular subject. And when we represent those shades in an index telling that okay, this particular shade represents the subject, then the reader who looks at the data as well as the diagram, he will better understand what's happening with the scores. So this is how, students, um, component bar diagram or subdivided bar diagram will be drawn. So to make you understand better, to make you comfortable regarding this component bar diagram and subdivided bar diagram, I am taking one problem from the textbook, students, which is displayed on the screen to you. You can see very well here. So I will take this problem and help you to draw this subdivided bar diagram. Okay, right. So understand this, students. So let's first let's see the question here. What the question says: for the following data regarding the expenditure of families, A and B represent the data by subdivided bar diagram. For the following data regarding the expenditure of the families, A and B represent the data by subdivided bar diagram. They have given the expenditure in rupees of two families, family A, family B. Okay, so what we need to do, students, is, so they have given it in various items. See, for example, family A spends on food 2,580, family B spends 3,350. Like this, their expenditure they have given. So these are the different categories of their expenditure. Okay, this food is one category, clothing, house rent, education, fuel, and others. So what we need to do is, for family A, we need to draw one bar of the total expenditure, students. The length of the bar should represent the total expenditure, and that length should be divided into food, clothing, house rent. These are what we call them as components, students. Okay, so I hope you are following what I said. So now let's first, what we do is, let's see the total, students. What will be the total of these items? Okay, for family A, for family B, let's see the total. Okay, so 2,580 plus 880, if you add on, you get something around 3,460 plus 2,200, it will be somewhere around 5,000. 660. Then if you add 360 to it, it will be 6,020. Then 6,020, if you add 2,280, it will be 6,300. And when we add 1,800 to it, you will be getting somewhere around 8,100, students. So the total expenditure of family A is 8,100. Likewise, 3,350 plus 1,250 will be somewhere around 4,600, plus 3,100 will be 7,700, plus 1,550 will be 9,250, plus 450 will be 9,700. Okay, plus 2,000, if you take it, it will be 11,700. The total expenditure for family B is how much? 11,700. So what we need to do, we need to draw a bar of this length. For family A, the length should be of 8,100, and for family B, the length should be of 1,700, students. Okay, so you need to understand this. Okay, 1,000, 11,700. Okay, this is the total. Okay, so now what I will be doing to make our drawing easy, so I will take the cumulative expenditures, students. Cumulative expenditures. Okay, cumulative means what it would be, it's the successive totals. Okay, expenditure. Now I will take this as family A. One column would be of family A, and other column would be of family B, students. Okay, so let's see. For food A, as it is 2,580. If you add this, we'll be getting 3,4. If you add 880 for it, you'll get 3,460. Then this 2,200, if you add, we get 5,660. Okay, then Then we add 360, we'll be getting 6020. If we add 280, it will be 6300. And if we add 1800, the total will be 8100. Then for family B, it is as it is 3350. For 3350, I add 1250. I will be getting 4600. Okay. Then if I add 3100 to it, it will be 7700. If I add 1550, it would be 9250. If I add 450, it would be 9700. Okay, if I add 2000 to it, it would be 11,700 students. This is important for us. For marking, it will help us out. So this is what is the calculation that if you do it, you can do this problem very quickly. Okay, or draw this diagram very quickly as it is been told. We need to write the title. So what it is subdivided 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 bar diagram okay, bar diagram regarding so this is important, regarding the expenditure of two families A and B. If I represent like this, that will be enough, students. So it is good enough for us to do all this, students. So let's draw the diagram here. Okay, let's draw the diagram. So I will take, as usual, students, I will take the scale and first draw the base for me. Okay, so the base. So the base, I will take it. I will take a different color, students, so it will be easy for you. This axis, I will do it in a different color, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so then this is one. So okay. So what would be the scale? What would be the scale on x-axis or on y-axis? Scale on y-axis. Okay. So what it is, I will take it as 1 centimeter. So this line, I will take it as 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, on that basis, I will mark this, students. Let's see if I can get all together. Can I have, sorry, not 100 rupees. I will take 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. Okay, so it would be 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000, 11,000, and I will take this also as 12,000. Okay, I will join this. So this is what we have it for y-axis. So on the y-axis, what is this? This is all about expenditure. Expenditure in rupees. Okay. So 1000 to 12,000 till there we have done. So now first thing what I'll be doing is I will be drawing a bar of length 8100 for which one? Family A. So I will take this 8000, right, and this would be 100. So this would be the bar. Okay, I will take the same width, students. It will be easy for us to do it, and no confusions will be there. Okay, done. The next one is for which family? Family B. Okay, I will take, what is that length? 11,700. So 11,000 somewhere around 700 comes here. So I will draw the line here. Okay, the same width for this. I hope you have done. Understood? Okay, right. So this is what for, I can take this, if I just take it up and write this as what it is for whom, students. This bar represents whom? This bar represents family A, and this bar represents family B. Family B. Okay. Yeah, I hope you have followed. The length of this bar is how much, students? It is 8100. The length of this bar is 1170. Okay, 11,700. So now we need to do the components, students. So we need to do the components. So what we have to do for the component's sake? Okay, so we need to draw the lines. Okay, I will take a thin line, and then I will start marking for you. Right, the first thing that we have to do is we have to take for family A. Family A, I will start from the bottom. It is 2,580. 2,580 will be somewhere here, students. Okay, up to here, this is 2,580. The next, we need to do the marking for the clothing. Okay, if you just see the clothing, okay, how much is that clothing that we have it here, students? So here you can see very clearly the clothing is for 3,000, 3,460. We need to do the marking. Okay. Okay. So on that basis, so we'll do the marking here, students. Okay. What is it? 3,460. 3,000 it is, 3,460 will be nearing to 3,500. Okay, then it will be 5,660. The next marking will be 5,660. So it will be somewhere here, 5,060, 660. Then it is 6,020, 6,020. 6,020. Then it is 6,300. So 6,300 is this line. Okay. Then it is 8,100 automatically. Okay. So this is how it goes on, students. Understood? So I hope you have okay. Right. The next for the family B. For family B, the first marking it is at 3,350. 3,350. It is here. Okay. The next is at 4,600. The next is 4,600. 4,600. The next marking is 7,700. 7,700. The next one marking would be 9,250. 9,250. The next marking would be around 9,700. 9,700. And the remaining is for at 11,700 students. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. And now let's do the shading, students. Let's do the shadings. Okay. However we want, we can do it whatever design, but for the particular component, the shading should be the same. Like if you see here, I start with this first one as crossed lines. Okay, as crossed lines for all that particular item represents. The particular item represents food. So the same thing I will be doing it here also. Okay, so this represents fine. So the next one would be for that I will take into some designs like this. Okay, I can use a different colors also. It will be more attractive. We can use it. Okay, but since it will be time consuming to make the video, it's already late, so I'm just using this. Okay, I can take this simple designs, dotted lines. Okay, so here also the same, the dotted lines. So the next would be it could be something like this way, crooked lines for this. It's like waves. Okay, so the next would be I'll shade it, students. You can understand this part. I'll shade it with a different color. So this one also I can shade it with a different color. And the last left out will leave as it is. That also can be a kind of a design for us. So we'll write the index here. Okay, what is the index? So if you speak about this lines, what was it all about? It was all about food. Okay, the next is the cross lines like this. It was all about for clothing. Okay, the next was is all about this dotted lines. This will be for house rent. Okay, and the next is this is for education. Is it right? Right, education or entertainment, anything. What was it? Okay, the next one was which is it's all about shadings. Is it right? We darkened it. So this is for fuel. And the last one we left blank. This will be for others. This is how we make this component bar diagram, students. So I hope you can see this, whatever it is seen. This is how it looks like. Okay. So when we do this kind of a representation, students, this is called as for us what it is. Okay, if I just keep it here, so it is a subdivided bar diagram regarding the expenditure of two families. This is the data, and this is the diagram it looks like. I hope you have understood it, how to do it. If you have not understood, you can just go back and rewind the video and play the video once again. You will understand. Okay, if ever you still have queries, please call up and you can speak to me and you can clarify the doubts. Thank you very much.